In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable WordPress core, theme, and plugin updates. So first of all, you have to be logged into your hosting account and then go to the file manager and then go to the root directory where your WordPress is installed. And then you should see the following files and folders like wp-content, -admin, and so on. Among this list, you should look for wp-config.php file and open it. And in this file, you should essentially search for the following line of code. Just you want to make sure it doesn't already exist here, because some hosting companies can add it there. Just type wp _auto _update _core, and then just search in this document. In my case, it doesn't exist. So what we're going to do next is essentially add it here, and we're going to add it at the very bottom. So let's scroll to the bottom and add extra space here. And then if we go to WordPress.org, and there's a documents section here, you can essentially just copy this whole line from the WordPress.org document and just paste it here. And just in case, I will also leave the link to this document in the video description for your reference. So we just added this line. Now we need to change the value from true to false. And then let's save it. And now if we go back to the WordPress dashboard and go to updates, you'll see a message. This site will not receive automatic updates for new versions of WordPress. So ultimately, we just disabled WordPress core updates. And next, I'm going to show you how to also disable WordPress theme and plugin updates. So what you have to do is, again, go to the root directory for your WordPress installation and then click on wp-content. Then look for themes folder. And then look for your active theme. In my case, let me see what it is. The active theme is 2020. So it's this one, 2020. So let's open the folder. And within this list, look for functions.php file and open it. I just make it larger. And what you want to do is scroll all the way to the bottom and make some space, and then we have to add 2 lines of code here. Let me see it. It's also in this document. Okay, is this one, plugin and theme updates via filter. So we want to copy these 2 lines and paste it at the very bottom of the functions.php file. And we need to change from true to false, both lines. False and false. So auto update plugins false, auto update theme false. Now let's save it. Let's close the file. And if we go to plugins and click on install plugins and then refresh the page, now, after we refresh the page, you'll notice that all plugins will show the message auto updates disabled. So ultimately, that's how we disable the WordPress plugin updates. So I hope you found this WordPress tutorial useful, and for more tutorials, please ensure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.